Hello, I'm Gina. I'm in the kitchen. Because today I want to make the paper the way I do. And then I prepare everything that I need. We need the paper that here. You can make a different color combination and all it together. I have the red onions, a peeled tomato. That's a little vinegar. And that's the olive. That's olive. E plus the salt and pepper. E olive oil. And fresh basilic. That's how I use. That's I need, you know. Everything is here. So now we gotta start, okay? Now we start. So you pick it up one. And then you gotta cut the apple like this. They're nice, huh? The red, they're nice, fresh and nice. Okay, you take this. Gotta take this. You put on the side. And you make another apple like this. And you take it, make sure no seeds, no seeds. You take all the seeds off like this. See? And that's the same. Nice. You gotta make it that way, nice and clean. And you put it here. And we gotta put it in the oven because we gotta take the skin off. See? This is okay. No skin, no seeds, no seeds. Nice, see? Nice and clean. And you put it here. You put it that way. I come on this one like this. You can do everything like this. You make an apple. You take it off the white one, and you put it here. See? You put it like this. It's very pretty. And you put it here. So that's it. I take my time and I do one by one. But you have to do like this. When you finish, we gotta put in the oven, okay? Okay, I finish. I fill it up one trail. I have to make another one, and then I'll go over there. But this one, and I put in the oven, okay? I put in the oven. And the broil because of the skin off, we gotta take it off. All right, and I finish this. All right, I finished the paper, and I got to work on the onions. So you got to clean up the onions now, and you do like this. Okay. All right, the onions is done. Okay, I finished the onions, the onion, and now I got to do the olive. I put it here, put like this. And I gotta make maybe 4 pieces because they're big anyway. We can make a 4 piece like this. It's very easy. Everything is easy. I do simple thing, simple thing. See? See? Simple thing. Okay, I finished the olive, see? I finished the olive. You gotta make it all like this, see? And then I put it here. You gotta make it like this. That's it. And Everything is already. But now I gotta check my paper here. Let me check my paper. Oh, that down, see? See that down, okay. All right, and now we put over there. Hey, I put the other one. See, I have the other one over here. I put over here. Okay. Stay there. Now we work on this. This one, you have the steam. And the skin, they come off bare, you know. You have put over there, like this. You can put over here. All right. Something vegetable. We make some vegetable. Everything is vegetable. All right. And I stay. Now you cover it with this, and then make a steam. Just a little bit, and then we got peel. All right. The time they make the other one, we steam this one. Just to leave here, okay? We gotta wait. Okay. All right. Okay, let me see. Can I take the skin off now? They cooling off, okay? Let me see. This is it. See? Look like it. You take the paper, you take this off, like this, see? They're cooling off. Little warm, but little by little, look. See? They come off. See? And then you put it here. They come off, all right, that's good. That's good, they come off, okay. That's what we want. They stick on my hands. So, and then you put it here. You take another one, like this. You peel. See? Need a little time. This need a little time for peel. See? But they come off. See? They all come off. Nice. Oh, right. Let's just put over there. Okay, that's my paper. I finish. I peel all this. I'll peel. Now I gotta make small because they're too big. I make like this. You can make like this. You make it like this. Yeah? You gotta make it like this. Slice. Yeah? You can, let me see. I put like this. Okay? You can put like this. Just you gotta make it small. Okay? And you put it here. Yeah. You put it like this, one, like this, you put like this. And you put here. All right. Now the slice I finished, you see? That's it. I make a slice like this. And now we gotta make not operation. Now we come over here and we make another operation. Yeah? This is it. Okay, I have everything here now. Look, everything is here. The first is olive oil. The first is olive oil. Okay, let me see. Put a little. Okay, I think enough. Now I gotta everything I have prepared anyway, little by little, but it's very easy. It's very easy for pour. Okay, we started the agnese. This is agnese, we put here. Almost. Yeah. See? The onions is soft nice. They're gone, see? You can show everything is okay. Yeah. And now, next I put the vinegar. That's it, vinegar. Little vinegar like this. All right. Let's take a couple of minutes, just like they boil a couple of minutes like this. They look nice, you see? Okay. And next I gotta put the tomato. Next I gotta put the tomato. That's a peeled tomato. You can make a fresh one, but I have a peeled tomato, I use this one. Okay. All the way. All the way, all the way, all the way. Yes. Let me put a little salt and pepper. It's a little salt and pepper in here. Okay. They cook a little together, everything got together. They make it nice. Okay. Look at this. Everything, they look nice and cook, okay? You see? They're good. Now, we gotta put the pepper. Now we put the pepper. Yeah, that's the pepper. That go here. Okay. And now we gotta mix it together. And they stay 4 or 5 minutes. They gotta cook a little bit together. And this is it. See? Okay. Almost done, you see? That's what they look like. See? They all are together, they take the taste all out together, see? That is nice. Yeah? Okay. Now the last one, the olive, that's the last one. We put over there. Hey, we done. We done. Now, a couple of minutes, it's already. They look nice, eh? That's it. And then I wanna taste a little salt. Sometimes I leave the salt. You don't have to put too much salt, okay? All right, I gotta taste the salt now, that's it. Okay, let me taste the salt and then finish. Okay. So good. The vinegar, they give it the taste so good. And it's so good. I just want to put a little bit more. Yeah. All right, that's it. It's finished. It's good. The taste is so good, yeah. All right. I have another thing to put. I have more to put. I have the fresh basil you can put here. You can take a fresh basil like this. And you can put it here. Okay? Just a drop like this. All right, that's it. That's a nice dish. Nice dish. It's easy to make, okay? Hey, okay. It's cooked. It's cooked. So, I'm finished, you see? All the work, that's what they look like. Just some extra dish when you cook. You want something different. This you can eat, you can eat with the meat. You can make a sandwich too. You make a sandwich. And then when you can make a day before, when you need tomorrow I have a company, I have to make, you can make a day before, and when it's cool, that tastes better. When it's cool, this dish, that tastes better. But you can eat hot, you can eat cold, you can eat the way you want, how long you make, anyway. But it's a good dish. So, this is it. Now I want to taste a little bit. And the smell, you can smell everything I put over there, it's all fresh. All fresh. This is it. But, I don't want to eat bread now, but this is good. I know it's good. Just I want to taste. Okay? Buon-A-Petitti. It's so good. The vinegar is so good, the vinegar. Then can smell. Okay? I want to say thank you for watching me. God bless everybody. And see you next time. So, and make this dish, you'll be happy when you make it, you taste, you eat, it's very good. It's very good. Bye. Bye-bye.